Printing variable data onto multi-lane flexible packaging lines is challenging. It can prove expensive. Changeover times are typically slow, whilst production is vulnerable to downtime. However, the latest engineering innovation from Domino provides a unique solution for intermittent coding onto multi-lane packaging applications. The V-Series multi-lane printer. Central to the system's design is the traverse. By moving our V-Series thermal transfer printers across a packaging web, customers are able to print where they may not have been able to print before. The system also provides a lower cost of ownership relative to alternative technologies. A leading multinational food and drink manufacturer used to lose up to 4 hours per week changing a code that was limited to a single line of text. Their code changes are now instantaneous. The efficiencies gained are an important part of their production's continuous improvement. This is complemented by quick and easy changeover times and minimal service requirements. The print quality is excellent and repeatable. It can achieve up to 45 cycles per minute depending on the film width. The same multinational manufacturer is currently achieving 45 cycles per minute, producing 450 prints per minute, all whilst the machine is running 24/7. The solution also inherits iTech, intelligent technology, functions and benefits. The V-Series thermal transfer over printers reduce your ribbon costs through its economical ribbon drive. In addition, QuickStep, Domino's simplified operator user interface, facilitates effortless control and status reporting. No complex menus or parameters. Just enter the job and you are ready to print. Job changes are quick and easy. Do you manufacture food and drink stick packs, sachets, medical packaging such as pouches? Are you responsible for multi-lane packaging lines which need variable data printing? Take the stress out of coding onto multi-lane packaging lines. Contact Domino's team and we will organise a demonstration of the V-Series multi-lane printer.